friends, we just got the beta update to version 3.22 and I need to share something that's been bothering me about how reMarkable Paper Pro is handling new features. I've been using the Paper Pro since it first came out. As you may know, I've done a full review on it here on this channel. I've also made a video about features we'd all love to see, tips and tricks, and I've praised it for a lot of the things it does really well. Of course, there were plenty of features missing at launch, but since then, quite a few have been added. We now have shapes, so you can finally draw a perfect circle or triangle. We also got auto rotation and even extra brightness level, so you can push a screen a little stronger. And honestly, I think as users we all appreciate all these updates, even if they don't come out as often as I'd hoped. Now here's where my frustration really comes in. With this beta update 3.22, we finally got something so many people have been waiting for, the Handwriting Search. This means you can search through your handwritten notes. It's a fantastic feature, but there's a catch. It's only available if you pay for the Connect subscription. So if I want a handwriting search, I need to pay $3 a month or $30 a year. And don't get me wrong, I do see the value in Connect subscription. For example, it gives you an extended warranty of up to 3 years as part of their protection plan. That makes sense, but it doesn't sit right with me that things like unlimited cloud storage or even syncing after 50 days are also logged behind Connect. The same goes for the 48 templates they offer only to subscribers, some of which are actually created and submitted by other users. And let's not forget, reMarkable devices are not cheap. It's not like you're buying a budget product and then paying a subscription to balance it out. The Paper Pro is $629 right now, and that's basically top tier pricing for an e-ink device. Listen, the bottom line for me is this: the Handwriting Search is a great feature, but it should be available to all users, not just subscribers. Putting features behind a paywall just doesn't sit well with me, and subscriptions in general don't sit well with me, and that's probably why this is coming across as a bit of a rant. But hey, maybe I'm just biased here. I'd really like to hear what you think. Do you feel like this is a fair approach, or am I overreacting and this is just the way things are? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, because I'd love to hear whether I'm the only one annoyed by this or if others feel the same way. Now, to be fair, not everything in this update is behind a paywall. There are two other additions that everyone gets to use. The first one is the ability to change the toolbar location in both portrait and landscape mode. You can even dynamically reposition it by just dragging the hide or show button to the edge of the screen. And that's actually really handy because it means you don't have to dive into the settings anymore. The second change is a bit more subtle, but still worth mentioning. It's an improved look for the icons across the toolbar and menus. The pen icons in particular look really nice now, and everything feels better aligned overall. I agree, it's a small polish, but it does make the experience feel more refined. And by the way, if you don't want to pay for templates, I've actually created a couple of free interactive PDF templates for you, and you can find them in the link in the description. Totally free, no strings attached. Now, last thing to mention, reMarkable is releasing something new on the 3rd of September. What do you think it may be? Share your guesses below, as I'm curious to see what you come up with. My bet is on the reMarkable Paper Pro mini version, something like 7 inches in size. Well, I may be totally wrong here, so comment below your thoughts. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. Also, big thank you to all the YouTube members who help support my work. Thank you so much. And if you own reMarkable and would like to learn some new tips and tricks, check out this video right here. All the best, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!